Let's begin with breaking updates coming in. In an interaction with students in Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has slammed the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi, and he said to improve its own image, the Aam Aadmi Party is putting the future of kids at stake.
मैंने सुना है ये दिल्ली में 9वीं कक्षा के बाद बच्चों को आगे जाने ही नहीं देते। जो बच्चे गारंटी है पास होंगे उन्हीं को जाने दें। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएगा तो मेरी सरकार की इज्जत खराब हो जाएगी, इसलिए बड़ा बेईमानी का काम होता है। मैंने सुना है ये दिल्ली में 9वीं कक्षा के बाद बच्चों को आगे जाने ही नहीं देते। जो बच्चे गारंटी है पास होंगे उन्हीं को जाने दें। क्यों? क्योंकि उनका रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएगा तो मेरी सरकार की इज्जत खराब हो जाएगी, इसलिए बड़ा बेईमानी का काम होता है।
My colleague Amit Kumar joins us on the broadcast with the details. Amit, this is a big attack by the Prime Minister. He says to salvage the image of its own government, the Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi is playing with the future of the children.
जी देखिए, मुझे लगता है जिस एजुकेशन पॉलिसी की बात, जो शिक्षा मॉडल की बात बार बार अरविंद केजरीवाल और उनकी सरकार करते हैं कि दुनिया में सबसे बेहतर जो एजुकेशन का मॉडल है वो दिल्ली का मॉडल है, और इसी मॉडल को लेकर घबराई हुई है बीजेपी सरकार, मोदी सरकार। तो इसी को लेकर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी ने एक बड़ा सवाल खड़ा किया है, और ये बात कई स्कूल में कई बच्चों के बारे में जानकारी इस तरह से रही है, और इसी बात को प्रधानमंत्री उल्लेख भी कर रहे हैं कि इस तरह की जानकारी है कि 9वीं के बच्चों को इसलिए रोक दिया जाता है कि जो रिजल्ट, ताकि 10th में जब बोर्ड के एग्जाम होंगे और बोर्ड में जब रिजल्ट होता है तब उसमें निश्चित तौर पर कई बार कंपेयर होता है कि इस बोर्ड में अच्छे हुए हैं, यहाँ के रिजल्ट अच्छे हुए हैं, यहाँ के रिजल्ट खराब हुए हैं। तो जो मॉडल की बात होती है उस मॉडल का पोल खोलते हुए प्रधानमंत्री मोदी नजर आ रहे हैं कि 9वीं कक्षा में किस तरह से बच्चों को दिल्ली सरकार में जानबूझकर रोका जाता है ताकि उनका रिजल्ट खराब ना हो। जब वो इस बात को लेकर आश्वस्त होते हैं कि जो बच्चे अच्छा करेंगे उन्हीं को 10वीं कक्षा में यानी कि बोर्ड के एग्जाम के लिए भेजा जाता है। तो जो जिस बात को लेकर सबसे ज्यादा पीठ थपथपाते हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल, सिसोदिया, कि वहां का दिल्ली का जो शिक्षा मॉडल है वो बेस्ट मॉडल है, उसी की पोल खोलते नजर आ रहे हैं मतदान से कुछ दिन पहले। और आप कहें कि आज चुनाव का आखिरी प्रचार है तो एक बड़ा हमला और बड़ा पोल खोल जैसी बात जो है, जो शिक्षा मॉडल है उसका करते हुए प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी दिख रहे हैं जब वो कुछ युवाओं के साथ, छात्रों के साथ चर्चा कर रहे थे।
जी, और अमित जी, Prime Minister Modi has spoken about the Delhi model of education, and this is one thing that the Aam Aadmi Party government has been mentioning time and again. With less than 48 hours to go for the elections, one of the key planks that the Aam Aadmi Party has mentioned time and again is the education model, claiming that across the country there are attempts being made to copy this model. But the Prime Minister says that the Aam Aadmi Party is so obsessed with the image to ensure that children pass. They're failing the students in 9th. I request you to stay with us. We have Mr. Nalin Kohli of the BJP joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Nalin Kohli, this is a big charge at a time when Kejriwal has claimed that the Delhi model of education is being aped across the country. Mr. Nalin Kohli? All right. Tom Vadakkan of the BJP joins us on the broadcast. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Vadakkan. Aam Aadmi Party has been speaking about the model of education in Delhi, but the Prime Minister says that the Aam Aadmi Party is ruining the future of the students for its own image.
That's true. I mean, on the field of education, I can tell you no schools have been added. What they have done is they have picked up one or two schools at random and are positioning it as if that is the role model. Now, the truth of the matter is many students are detained to ensure better results. Now, even that is not working. There have been huge cases of dropouts that's happening in Delhi. Besides that, higher education is being also disturbed terribly. 6 months' salaries are not paid for lecturers, professors in Delhi under the Delhi University College. And that's about 12 of them. No salaries for 6 months. And what do you think is happening there? They are very clean, neat. They say they are corrupt and all that, which is absolutely crude because they are embezzling money, which is due for the educational sector. Now, the education sector is one thing. What about the hospitals? Doctors are not being paid salaries. The mohalla that they talk about, mohalla health system or whatever, The stray dogs are hanging around there. No medicine, no doctors, and no patients. So tell me, what kind of model are they talking about? Education has failed. Medical system has failed. And then they go around saying the same old broken record.
Okay, Mr. Vadakan, I request you to stay with us. Want to get a Congress perspective on this as well. We will also be speaking to the Aam Aadmi Party to get a reaction on that. Mr. Rashid Alvi of the Congress on the broadcast with us, ally of the Aam Aadmi Party in the India bloc, but fighting it out in Delhi. Mr. Rashid Alvi, big charge. Prime Minister says students in class 9th are being failed deliberately so that they can achieve 100% pass percentage in for the students in class 10th.
It is important. What Aam Party is doing in Delhi is not important. But whether it is appropriate for Prime Minister, he may come down to this level, that he is addressing class 8 children and 10 children, and they are telling them that your future is going to be destroyed by this Aam Party. What kind of our Prime Minister is behaving like this? It is unfortunate. I am not saying that everything is good in Delhi, everything is bad in Delhi. But important thing is whether Prime Minister of India, largest democracy of the world, he has come down to this level. He is addressing class 8 children.
Okay, so you're saying as a Prime Minister, he should not be speaking about it, but we'll come to that and also speak about whether it is actually happening in the national capital, that students in class 9th are being failed deliberately, because this means that these students are losing out on 1 year. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst, joining us on the broadcast. Mr. Akashdeep Muni, this is a big charge by the Prime Minister, saying the future of students being ruined by the Aam Aadmi Party just to salvage its own image.
The last thing that Bharatiya Janata Party should speak on is education and healthcare. Their shamelessness goes nowhere when 6,000 schools in Assam are closed, government schools, and 3,000 in, recently in Rajasthan are closed. These government schools are closed because there is no teacher, no student, no education, no infrastructure, these are things. Tell me one school in total India that has a swimming pool and high-tech labs rather than in Delhi. One government school. एक सरकारी स्कूल में नहीं है आपके स्विमिंग पूल और हाईटेक लैब्स. आपके वहाँ पे टीचर नहीं है, टीचर को पढ़ाने का तरीका नहीं आता. और आज बेशर्मी की हद ये हो गई है कि आप दिल्ली के एजुकेशन मॉडल की बात कर रहे हैं. मैं तो शॉक्ड हूँ कि आज टॉम वडकन से पूछ लीजिए कि कितने स्कूल्स बंद हुए और उनको शर्म आती है थोड़ी सी कि बच्चों के करियर पे खेल रहे हैं. ठीक है, ओडिशा में उनकी जो सरकार है, मुझे बताइए कि ओडिशा में एक स्कूल में स्विमिंग पूल है क्या, एक स्कूल में हाईटेक लैब है क्या? अगर है तो मैं पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट का जॉब छोड़ दूंगा, अगर नहीं है तो उनको पॉलिटिक्स छोड़ देना चाहिए. क्या वो चैलेंज लेंगे टॉम वडकन? Ask him now.
Okay, let me ask Tom Vadakan. He is with us. Mr. Tom Vadakan, Akashdeep Muni says that you're playing with the career of the children, and this is the reason why the BJP and the Prime Minister are attacking it, because the BJP is unable to digest the success of the Delhi model of education.
It's a sad commentary that this gentleman representing the Aamda Party goes into town. Does he know about the schools that have swimming pools, the facilities that are all around available? What is he talking about? He has no clue. He has to make a point of, it's a public rally kind of a thing. He asked me the name of the schools. I have been to schools. I have been the chairman of colleges. I know the existence of infrastructure. I know how teachers teach in these institutions. But then, holding
Mr.
3 or
Tom
4
Vadakan
schools
has 6,000
as a model, it's a sad thing that analysis is talking this way. You can address a public rally elsewhere, but don't cheat the public of India. Public of India is woken up, and on the 5th, you will see what is happening in Delhi. You wait and watch. 5th is going to be your nemesis.
Take the challenge. One swimming pool.
I'm taking the challenge. I'm taking the challenge.
Happening because this pertains to the future of the students. The Prime Minister says that students in class 9th are being failed deliberately because if they are in class 10th and they're not able to pass, then it will look bad for the Delhi government. Is that happening in the national capital?
No.
Yes, it is happening. It is happening. There's a fact of the matter. And there are huge dropouts as a result of this. How many years can a student continue doing the same class? just to improve the image of Kejriwal and company. That's the ground reality. Check it out. You do a fact check.
As per the government data, as per the central government data, the Delhi has the best education as per the central government data. Please check the central government
what
data.
What kind of data are you quoting? It's just that
I'm
you come on
quoting your
television
data.
and misquote.
central government data. भाई अपने सरकार का डेटा देख लिया करो आने से पहले.
अरे बहुत देखे हमने.
Okay, but Akashdeep Puni, that's the point that the Prime Minister made, to look good on records, to ensure that there is a 100% success rate or pass rate for class 10 students. Students of class 9th are being failed deliberately. That's the charge that has been made by the Prime Minister, to look good on paper.
Are you saying that there is the Delhi education model is where students are failed and not a single student is complaining about it? Nobody.
How will they complain? They will be thrown out of the school. Now the Prime Minister understands that fact. The fact of the matter, Prime Minister understands that fact. And the true Prime Minister knows the ground reality. That is why the Prime Minister is speaking about it. Because the future of students are being damaged.
Tom Vadakan,
yes.
Tell me 6,000 schools closed in Assam or not? Yes or no?
We are talking about Delhi. We are talking about other states. I will give you a discussion and blueprint of what the schools in Assam are doing.
Okay, the question is, are students in Delhi, students in class 9 being failed deliberately so that they can achieve a 100% pass rate for class 10 students? That's the charge that has been made by the Prime Minister. He says that students' future is being spoiled. The politics of Delhi is dominating. Listen into what the Prime Minister said. He has made a big charge at the Aam Aadmi Party government at a time when Kejriwal is speaking about the Delhi model of education. Listen into what the Prime Minister said.
मैंने सुना है ये दिल्ली में 9वीं कक्षा के बाद बच्चों को आगे जाने ही नहीं देते. जो बच्चे गारंटी है पास होंगे उन्हीं को जाने दे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएगा तो मेरी सरकार की इज्जत खराब हो जाएगी. इसलिए बड़ा बेईमानी का काम होता है. मैंने सुना है ये दिल्ली में 9वीं कक्षा के बाद बच्चों को आगे जाने ही नहीं देते. जो बच्चे गारंटी है पास होंगे उन्हीं को जाने दे. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका रिजल्ट खराब हो जाएगा तो मेरी सरकार की इज्जत खराब हो जाएगी. इसलिए बड़ा बेईमानी का काम होता है.
So the Prime Minister says that the image of the government is more important. This is beimani ka kaam by the Aam Aadmi Party government, saying only students who will surely pass in class 10th are being promoted from class 9 to 10. Some of the students also say, adding in and saying it is to ensure that there is 100% pass rate. The Prime Minister's big charge is that students in class 9th are being deliberately failed to ensure a 100% pass rate for the class 10 students, saying that this is what the Aam Aadmi Party government is doing to speak about its education model.